Hello all, welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this tutorial, we will be going over the wet-on-wet technique used in acrylic paintings. As the name suggests, the wet-on-wet technique in acrylic painting involves applying fresh paint onto a wet or partially wet surface. For this tutorial, we'll go over two different examples showing the wet-on-wet technique. Example 1. For the first example, let's start by applying a base layer of white paint with a soft brush. Using a soft brush keeps the paint wet longer, allowing for easier blending. Now, right after doing our base layer, we'll begin painting on top of it before it dries. Since the base is still wet, the darker shade is mixed and easily blends. As you work, you can add more colors on top of the wet paint. These will also blend together on the surface. Try to experiment with different colors and see what effects you come up with. For more information about blending, you can watch our video on blending. Link in description below. Example 2. In this example, we will start by applying a layer of water with a brush or misting bottle. Now, let's move on to adding paint on the wet canvas. Feel free to add more water around if needed, and see how the colors react. As you can see, the layer of water helps to create beautiful bleeds and blooms between areas of color. It also allows the paint to easily spread and blend. We'll continue to add paint. Remember to keep the surface moist as you work, misting it with water if it starts to dry out. This example is typically a good method to achieve a more fluid and expressive style, because of how the colors are blending and merging naturally on the moistened surface. This is the end of our wet on wet with acrylics tutorial. Always remember to practice using different colors and styles to find out which one you enjoy the most. I also hope that you've gained insightful techniques in this tutorial, and I hope to see you use these techniques in your paintings. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.